station is Harajuku. JY19. The doors on the right side will open. Please change your for the Juna subway line and the Fukushi subway line.
Right now, we are at the JR Harajuku Station. This green line is called the Yamanote line, one of the most popular loop line in Tokyo. I recently got the Apple Watch for 50,000 subscribers celebration for this channel. I can install IC card to the Apple Watch and I can pay. One thing you have to be careful is that the train card's IC reader is installed in right side, so even you are right-handy, you'd better wear the watch right side. Otherwise, you have to twist your body all the time whenever you wanna pay money. Here we go, in front of the Harajuku Station. This is one of the most popular street, Harajuku Takeshita Street. Today we will explore how the Takeshita Street and Omotesando, also Meiji Jingu, looks like right now. So it seems like more people are walking in the Takeshita Street, but let's see how it looks like. Welcome to Ryan TV. I'm Ryan Senaka. Alright, so let's keep walking. Let me talk about this Takeshita Street's history a little bit. This street was opened in 1974, 10 years after Tokyo Olympic in 1964. After opening this Takeshita Street, Harajuku area became so popular for young adults. Around 1980s, big trend of American culture came to Japan, and the twist dance became so popular. There is Yoyogi Park right next to this street. Many young adults dance twist in the park, and they were called Takenoko-zoku. Direct translation is bamboo group. Why bamboo? Because many of them wear the costume from shop named Bamboo, so that's the reason why they were called Takenoko-zoku.
Anything fine, you like to do that. Expensive.
Seems like that dog wants to get into the dog cafe. We are almost at the end of Takeshita Street. From here, we will walk to Omotesando Street. On your left, it's Line Up store. Line Up is most popular message app in Japan, like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, etc. If you are planning to come to Japan and stay for a while, you probably need this app to connect with other local Japanese, so just remember the name for your future. Oh, that's Gyukatsu restaurant. Gyukatsu is one of my favorite dish. But after the pandemic, I haven't ate one yet, cause usually Gyukatsu restaurant is located in basement and also eating in really small space, like ramen restaurant in Japan. So after the pandemic, I will eat a lot of gyukatsu. That's one of my plan. So what's your plan? Please let me know in the comment section. Now we are at the intersection in Omotesando. There is a gold gym in that tall building. You can look down this busy street during your workout. It must be really cool. Hope one day I can work out there. Since we came here, let me introduce my favorite spot in Tokyu Plaza. It's kinda hidden spot. Let's keep walking. I really like this Tokyu Plaza's entrance. It makes me a little dizzy, but at the same time, it makes me feel going to some different world. Really enjoyable. This is how you can get to my favorite spot, First, go to the 5th floor by escalator and you will find the stairs. Just follow the direction, you will find the Starbucks. And here we go. Yes, this is the space where you can relax at the outside in middle of Omotesando. If you don't like high place, maybe a little scary, but there are many tables and a place to sit down. So if you wanna take a rest in middle of Omotesando, this Tokyu Plaza is recommended. Okay, now let's go to the Omotesando Shopping Street. Here we go. This is Omotesando Shopping Street. This street has over 100 years history. There are many fancy boutiques. People recognize this town as a fashionable town. It's like a rodeo drive in LA. So let me talk about this town's history a little bit. About 60 years ago, Yoyogi Park, which is located right next to Omotesando, was US Army's residence. Because of that, there were many foreign items which were really rare in that time were sold in this town. Rare interesting items and a foreign culture trend called many trendy people to the town. It made this town really famous. Nowadays, this place is not known as a foreign items place, but people recognize this town as a fashionable trendy place. I'm not really trendy neither fashionable, but I like this town because there are many new interesting things and the people are here. Now, not so many people are in the town, but it will be back to normal after this pandemic is over. So make sure visit this place if you come to Japan. This is one of the busiest Apple store in Japan. Whenever Apple starts selling new products, there are always long lines in front of the store, even they can order online. Seems busy today too. Now, you need to make reservation to enter the store though.
Now let's go back to the Meiji Jingu Shrine. So let's go back.
This is new gate of Harajuku Station. It's the other side from the exit that we used going to Takeshita Street. From this place, you can just go straight beside the bridge. You will arrive to Meiji Jingu Shrine. It's almost the time of sunset, my favorite time to walk in Meiji Jingu Shrine. One thing you have to be careful when you visit this shrine is that the shrine closes kind of early. Today's last entrance is 4:50 p.m. During summer season, it's around 6 p.m. They open in very early morning though, so make sure check the time before you visit the shrine. When you go through Torii Gate, bow one time to show respect. I'm a Christian, so I don't believe in Shintoism. But I respect my ancestors, so I bow to the gate too. Speaking of myself, I was born and raised in Osaka, Japan, but I grew up in Christian family. Christian is super minority in Japan. The Christian population is less than 1%. Most of Japanese are Buddhist or not religious, so I have many unique experiences. Maybe I will make a video about it in the future, so please look forward to it. Oh, by the way, if you wanna know who I am and why I can speak English and why I started this channel, please check my very first video on this channel.
Really quiet. Loving it. Let's keep walking.
Those sake barrels called komodaru There are 216 komodaru in Meiji Jingu Shrine. Those are dedicated from all over Japan. Not only sake, but also wine too. It takes about 10 minutes by walking from the gate to main building. Even it's a long walk, you will not be lost because you just need to follow the way made by bricks. The sun is setting. This shrine will be closed soon. Unfortunately, I can't shoot the video inside the main hall, but hope you can feel the beautiful atmosphere of this shrine. The sound of nature in the silence of Tokyo feels like I'm traveling time. We all are having a hard time in the world now, but it will be the past soon. Please do not lose hope. Bright future is almost there. We just need to keep walking, so let's keep walking together.
If you want to see more about Japan, I'm a travel photographer. I have taken many photos and posted on my Instagram account. So please don't forget to check that. So hope you see what the Japan looks like and you feel like you are traveling to Japan with me through this video. And also, if you want to see other part of Tokyo in 2021, I have made several videos in the same style. So please check my other videos as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications so that you will not miss my new video and a surprise live stream. And if you like the video, please share the video with your friend. More power to the channel, more videos. So hope this video can be a help to stay at home. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay safe, healthy and happy. Arigato! See you in the next video. Bye bye. Oh, you see the building over there? That's Shibuya building. I am in the Yoyogi Park. This is really peaceful place and I love it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. So see you in the next video. Arigato! Bye bye!